Cut the baloney and look at this!
That's not bad.
Huh? Kirby, 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 Kirby! Shush! My favorite part's coming up.
DeDeDe saves the day.
We gonna broadcast you, and I'm a producer.
A producer? What does a producer do?
A producer does anything. A producer does taxes. A producer does a producer. Ah!
Who's the main character?
I already designed it myself.
That's the sloppiest, ugliest character I've ever seen.
Yeah? Let's see you come up with something better.
Should be cute, and lovable. Hey, how about this?
Whoa, he has cheese.
Sire, is it too late to cancel her?
No!
What is this? That's you, Your Majesty. How do you like it? I think I really captured you, Sire. I ought to capture you.
What do you think, Your Majesty?
I think it stinks.
Pretty good, huh?
Pretty awful.
I slimmed you down a bit.
Ah!
How's this?
Elif?
They got you there, Majesty.
I knew this was a good idea. Wake up! No time for that. We got a deadline to meet. Get the heck!
We'll get rid of talent and we'll replace it with AI. But how? Just stick with me before you stick with me before you stick me before you'll beat me, sire. But how? Just stick you'll stick in me, sire. But how? Sire. This violates union law.
Oh, brother! So how's our car coming, Triple D?
Shit. We need more money. No!
Well then. Well, are we gonna see a show?
You gonna see these nuts? This is it! Y'all gotta script the lips and match the reach.
But we haven't rehearsed.
Never mind, huh?
And now, it's time for that moment you've been waiting for. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Miku Miku
That's it? It's over already?
Oh boy.
I'm gonna go talk to the sponsor.
I just reread our car, King D, and it states that the show has to be right.
So that mean we gotta pay up?
Right. And this is what you owe. We accept NFTs only.
If you don't make us pay, we'll give you DeDeDe for free.
Free? I gotta say, D-Man, you're looking fly today.
Cut the baloney and look at this.
That's not bad.
Huh? Hey, what's going on here?
Don't leave me here!
Majesty, what do we do? Look at that!
Fähret ihr Narren das aufgeladene Wort!
Huh? What's this here?
Your guess is as good as mine, sire.
He don't scare me none. Look, it is DeDeDe, our hero. Oh, come now, little old me a hero? Surely you jesting. This is the end of you, and I'm gonna give you a whacking. Dreamland, 'cause it's magic time!